Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me. Let's see, a person who wants to change the turbo solenoid valve of his car and has bought one, but not it is original and it does not have letters, but if it has a white dot, let's see, you can find yourself in that situation. Here is one that is original, but it also has a white dot. If it has that white dot, it would refer to this tube, and this tube would be the one that connects with the turbo actuator or with the eager actuator, depending on the function of the turbo solenoid valve or solenoid. Okay? Then, you would have the tube on the right. You can find some that say vac empty or that does not put anything, no letter. The one on the right would be connected to the vacuum pump or brake vacuum. Okay, then you would have a third tube, or as in this case, which cannot be seen, but goes for inside, because this is the atmospheric pressure tube. There is a carcass, it is made of plastic. Inside what it has is an air filter, to prevent dirt from entering the turbo electric valve or solenoid. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.